In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export one project to another in Basecamp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to move things like to-do lists, messages, or files from one project into another without having to recreate anything from scratch. Let's start from inside Basecamp. First, open the specific item you want to move. This could be a to-do list, a single to-do, a message, a document, or even a file. It's important that you're not just on the main project page, but actually inside the individual item itself. So click into the to-do list or message thread so you can see its full content, comments, and attachments. That's the level where the Move option will usually appear. Once you're on that item's page, look for the Move option. Depending on your Basecamp layout and version, this might appear as a button labeled Move, as a link in a sidebar, or as an option inside a small menu, often represented by 3 dots. Take a second to scan the top or side of the screen. If you see a menu with options like Edit, Archive, or Delete, the Move option is often found nearby. Click on Move when you find it to start the process. After clicking Move, Basecamp will ask you where you want to send this item. You'll typically see a drop-down list of all the projects you have access to. From here, select the new project that should receive the item. In many cases, Basecamp will also let you choose a more specific destination within that project. For example, if you're moving a to-do list, you might be able to pick which to-do section or list group it belongs to in the destination project. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct project and, if available, the right list or area so everything stays organized. When you've selected the destination, it's time to confirm the move. Click the button that finalizes the action, usually labeled something like Move or Move this item. Basecamp will then transfer the item to the new project. One helpful detail is that any comments as well as files attached to those comments will travel with the parent item. That means you won't lose discussion history or supporting documents during the move. After the move is complete, it's a good idea to navigate to the destination project and quickly check that the item appears where you expect it. This simple process helps you keep projects tidy, reorganize ongoing work, and shift tasks between teams without any copy and paste hassle.